This is my review of the Sandberg Streamer USB microphone kit. This whole audio is recorded with this microphone. This now is the raw audio that comes out from the microphone, without any post-processing. Note how much you hear from the fans of my computer, which are loud. I am speaking from close to the microphone to maximize the speech-noise ratio, and the microphone is directional and allegedly has some noise reduction built into it. But still, some background noise remains. Hence, after this sentence I will reduce noise with software post-processing too, with Audacity. About the microphone itself. It is mysterious. It does not have a type name. To me it looks as it is not distributed alone, but only as part of this kit. About the pop filtering. This microphone kit includes a foam cap and a pop filter, and they make a big difference according to my testing. This whole audio is recorded with both of them in use. Here is a pop demonstration. Please put pepperoni on the pizza. Please put pepperoni on the pizza. Please put pepperoni on the pizza. One interesting thing about the pop filter is that it does not deflect the wind, but stops it. About the distance. The producer recommends to use the microphone from about 15 to 40 centimeters. I tested different distances but did not notice significant difference in the record quality. On the other side, it is good to have better speech-noise ratio and by that less background noise. Hence I speak from about 5 centimeters. For this to work I had to decrease the gain. I decreased it to 7 of 10. Now I will speak into the microphone from different directions in order for you to hear the polar pattern. Now I am speaking into the microphone from the front. Now I am speaking into the microphone from the left. Now I am speaking into the microphone from the back. Now I am speaking into the microphone from above. Now I am speaking into the microphone from the front again. Now I am typing behind the microphone roughly. Now I am pressing the DOS keys softly. Installing the microphone is super easy. Software is not needed. The kit contains a USB wire, just plug it into the computer. I use Linux operating system, but I guess it works automatically with other operating systems too. The assembly of the mechanical structure is trivial, not even a manual is needed. I have only one little complaint. The arm fits into the table clamp, in which a metal screw fixes it. This connection between the metal pieces, either with the screw or without it, scrape the painting on the metal surface. It is not visible because the affected surfaces are inside the table clamp, but still this solution feels immature to me. Overall, I am very satisfied with my purchase. I got a full microphone kit for much less money and time than I could by purchasing the parts separately. It was a positive surprise to me that the background noise is silent and most of it is raisable with software. Everything just works. Closing this review, I think this Sandberg Streamer microphone kit may be an especially good choice for those who want to start amateur audio production so quickly as possible, with reasonable quality and with a good price-value ratio.